today's sexy Valentine's look, we're going to start with the eyes first. I'm using a concealer lighter than my skin tone to carve and define my eyebrow. Then I'll be taking a flat shader brush to blend the concealer down into my crease. I'm adding a little concealer on the outer corner of my lower lash line to define where the eyeshadow will end. On a fluffy blending brush, I'm using Ultra Sultry from Morphe's Sweetest Tea palette as my crease color. To soften that color, I'm going to be using Contents Are Hot. Using the same brush, I'm going to pack more of Contents Are Hot onto the lid. On a flat shader brush, I'm using the color Drink It In to pack the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the shade Always Trending and adding it to the middle as well. Go over the edges of Always Trending with a fluffy brush to blend out any harsh edges. With a bit of Fix Plus, I'm taking pink bronze pigment from MAC and adding that over top for some added sparkle. I'm using NARS's black eyeliner pencil to draw a thick wing that we will smudge out for a really sultry, smoky effect. Smudge Contents Are Hot along the lower lash line. Line your lower lash line with black eyeliner. Go back in with the shade Heat Wave and add it to the inner corner of the eye. Clean up any fallout and add mascara. I'm using my Morphe Filter Effect Concealer as a foundation. And I'll be highlighting with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Radiant Concealer in the shade 6N. I'm taking the same Estee Lauder concealer in the shade 8N to contour. Setting that highlight with Fenty Beauty's Hazelnut Setting Powder. And I'll be setting my contour with MAC Studio Fix Powder in NW58. I'll be using a dark brown eyeshadow to fill in my brows. And a shimmery cream blush for a subtle pop on the cheek. I'm going to outline the perimeter of my lip with Date Night pencil from Morphe and fill in the middle with Plum pencil from MAC. And we'll be topping it off with Morphe's Sweetest Tea lip gloss. For increased longevity, we'll be setting it all with MAC's Fix Plus.